Ella just said child neglect as well as perjury. Those are just some of the charges Peterson is now facing, but can they stick? That's a big question. Local 10 News investigator Larry Livingston continues our team coverage now from Parkland.
And Christy, from the experts we spoke with today, Peterson's defense team is likely already drawing up some motions to dismiss these charges that are now been filed against him. And many say his inaction here, many feel his inaction here at MSD during that horrible shooting was morally and professionally reprehensible, but criminally, some, well, they say they aren't so sure.
He was there supposedly to save not only the students, the teachers, everyone, and he did nothing.
Manuel Oliver's son Joaquin was one of the 17 students and staff members killed during the Parkland shooting. He says Scot Peterson needs to pay.
He was a coward that day.
But is cowardice criminal?
I don't know that legally they're going to be able to prove that he owed a duty to these children, and that's going to be tough for prosecutors.
Mark Eiglarsh is a trial attorney.
There is no question that politics played a role in bringing these charges. Without question, people want this. Emotions are running high.
But this case and these charges, 7 counts of neglect of a child, 3 counts of culpable negligence, perjury, Eiglarsh says it all sets up a high burden of proof.
Because he's not a parent or a legal guardian or a typical caretaker, it makes the prosecution's theory to be extremely novel. They're going to have to play this one out, I think, in the appellate courts.
And holding Peterson criminally responsible would set a precedent that could impact future cases.
This has never been litigated, as far as we know, here in Florida courts, and it will be litigated in this case.
Which is why that attorney feels that these negligence charges will be resolved before this case even potentially goes to trial, because Peterson's defense team will likely be arguing to have them thrown out because under the law they may not even be prosecutable. In the meantime, we're hearing that that perjury charge is likely the easiest charge that prosecutors have on their table, because that's something that they have the evidence that strongly supports that perjury charge. That'll be the easiest case that they could potentially try in this situation. We'll, of course, keep you posted on how things develop and move forward during the judicial process. For now, we're live here in Parkland. Larry Livingston, Local 10 News.
Okay, Larry, thank you.